Today I'm sharing with you 5 really awesome weeknight dinner ideas. If you're like my family, we're really busy on the weeknights, so I like to stay super organized, plan out our meals, and get a really good dinner on the table for us super quick. So you're gonna love these 5 meals. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you them. This first dinner is going to be a sheet pan meal, which I love doing sheet pan recipes. I have some chicken thighs that I'm going to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can do 30 to 60 minutes if you have time. I have 1 cup of soy sauce and I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to add in some garlic powder as well, about a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of paprika also. I'm going to kind of toss this around, coat all these chicken thighs in the sauce. I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet. My oven is also preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to lay out these chicken breasts. I'm going to add on a diced bell pepper. I'm using red today, but you can use your favorite color. I'm also going to add in some pineapple. I'm going to drain the juice and then add the pineapple on top. This is a Hawaiian sheet pan chicken thighs and it is so good. My whole family loves this one. I have 1/2 of a diced up onion and it's going to go in the oven. I'm serving it with some rice and so good. I'm going to do an angel chicken in the crock pot. I have 2 chicken breasts, a can of cream of chicken I'm going to add in there. I have a packet of Italian dressing mix, and this is a huge hit. I'm using a 1/2 of a brick of cream cheese, and this is going to make this nice and creamy. It's going to have an amazing sauce. It's not the prettiest of dishes. A lot of crock pot meals I feel aren't that pretty when you look at them in the crock pot. They're kind of messy looking, but this one is so good. This sauce is absolutely amazing. So now that the chicken is done, I cooked it on low for 7 to 8 hours. I'm going to remove the chicken and I'm going to put it in my chicken shredder. I'm going to shred this chicken. It just falls apart, as you can see, as it's falling apart before I even put it into the chicken shredder. But I'm just going to shred it up and I'm going to put it back into this sauce, and it is going to be so good. I'm going to serve this with some pasta. I've been doing this protein pasta lately that I absolutely love. So use your favorite kind of pasta and then your favorite veggie also. This is such a great dinner that the whole family loves. So now that the chicken is all shredded, just gonna mix it around in this sauce. Like I said, this sauce is amazing. Here's my pasta, this protein pasta that I love. Use your favorite kind. And I have a side of broccoli. Use your favorite veggie. This dinner is so easy and so good. I'm going to use some frozen meatballs for this dinner. It's going to be some meatball sub sandwiches. So I'm adding in my frozen meatballs. I'm adding in my spaghetti sauce. And I use this no sugar added Prego spaghetti sauce. It's our favorite. Add that in. I'm going to simmer these until the meatballs are cooked through, about 20 minutes. I'm going to add, I have these brioche. They're like large hot dog buns, kind of hoagies almost. I'm going to add these to my Pyrex. Have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to put the meatballs in to the centers of these buns. And use your favorite bun. These ones are really good. I like them a lot. But use your favorite. So here are my meatballs and sauce. I'm going to scoop it all out and fill up the center of these rolls. My family loves the meatballs. These frozen meatballs are so easy and convenient. Just makes for really easy weeknight dinners. We have a very busy schedule right now this time of year with baseball season for my kids. So this is just a really awesome, easy dinner that I love doing, that the whole family really enjoys. So I'm going to add some more sauce onto these meatballs, and this just really couldn't be easier. If you like easy recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love sharing with you what we have for dinner to give you some inspiration, some motivation on some easy dinners for your family. So I'm adding on some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 10 minutes until that cheese is melted at 350, and then these will be ready to go. So you can serve with a side salad and you are all set. I'm going to do a sheet pan sausage. So this is just a smoked sausage, and I cut it into little coins. My family loves to eat them this way. I have some frozen cheese raviolis. You can use any kind of ravioli that you want, or tortellini also. I have a sweet potato that I've diced up. We've been eating a lot of sweet potato lately. It's super delicious. I'm going to add on olive oil on top of this, about 2 tablespoons, so you can coat it pretty good. I'm going to add in some salt and some pepper as well. And this is such an easy meal. Sheet pan meals, I love. I can put it all onto the sheet pan and it just all cooks together. We have our veggie and our pasta and our meat all on one pan. So giving this a good toss. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and it is all set. Really huge hit and so easy and very little cleanup, which I absolutely love that as well. I'm going to make a casserole. I have 1 pound of ground beef, so I'm just going to mash this ground beef up and I'm going to brown it until it is all done. So I'm just going to keep mashing it up and browning it until it's done. I'm going to drain the grease. I'm going to cook some broccoli as well. I'm steaming it in my steamer basket and there's water on the bottom of the pot as well. So I'm going to make this sauce for this casserole. So I have some sour cream. I'm using light sour cream for this one, but use your favorite sour cream. I have an onion soup mix packet. So there's the Lipton onion soup mix in the packet. I love using it for so many different recipes. I'm using a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to give this a little stir and mix the sour cream with the onion soup mix and the milk, mix it all up. It's going to make a really yummy sauce. I love anything with onion soup mix packets. I just use it all the time. I love the flavor. So I'm adding in the ground beef. I'm adding in the cooked broccoli as well. And you don't want to overcook the broccoli. So I have the layer of ground beef, layer of broccoli, and now I'm layering on this sour cream sauce into my Pyrex dish. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and this will cook for about 35 to 40 minutes once I have everything assembled. I'm adding on some shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm going to add on some Ritz crackers. So I'm just going to crumble these up, add them on top. It's an awesome topping. So I'm going to cook this, like I said, in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and it is delicious. I hope that you love these easy dinner ideas. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more meal planning motivation and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.